So, hello friend. So in the previous tutorial, we have just copy and paste the table. Now we have to just copy and paste the form. Actually, I've just it was not copying pasting the due to as the application was running. Now I have stopped. Now just copy and try to paste in. Now after that, first we have to change the name. Here it is. So change to distributor. Save it. Just copy the name and go ahead to the and paste it. Okay, now just check it whether we are missing anything. Okay, just try to build it. Okay, something is remaining. Okay, so here is the problem. Just click on the form and go to the code and change name to the customer deposit to distribute deposit and try to build it. Okay, system.I continue. Okay, so I've checked the program. So now just change the name to distributor. Okay, now try to build it and click on this, and here also you can see the form name is distributor. So just copy and paste. I can here also the constructor and paste it and build it. As you can see, we have to change name in every class distributor because this is a partial class in resource files, in distributor class files, and in designer file. Okay, now the okay, now just change the name to customer to distributor. I think we have this TRIBU distributor, the right spelling, and we have given distributor. I think we have just wrong spelling, TISTRUBUTR. Okay, and change here also to distributor. Just save it, and here's the amount to purchase. Okay, now okay, to going to the main form. In the main form we have to, okay, it is project main form. In the main form, sorry, here it is. On the click of the distributor, it should open the form distributor. Okay, just copy and paste this one and change here to distributor deposit. Okay, just copy and paste over here and now try to run it. Enter the name, username and password. Here it is, distributor deposit. Now in the internal coding side we have to change all the name and we have to provide the link to the table of distributor table. Here you can see we have used customer. We have to change it to the distributor deposit TBL. Okay,